Starting in March 2022 and rolling out over the next few months, YouTube Earnings will have a separate homepage and payments account in AdSense.
YouTube new update and my blog link are available in the description. You can visit and follow my blog. Before starting video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. In few months or March, YouTube will have a dedicated AdSense for YouTube homepage in AdSense. YouTube allows creators even quicker access to their finalized YouTube earnings in AdSense. Now, YouTube and AdSense payments accounts will have separate payment threshold amounts for YouTube creator. Any unpaid YouTube earnings will be moved into that new payments account. Your previously paid and others YouTube AdSense earnings will remain associated with your AdSense payments account. How will you see it? Currently, the new homepage is only accessible to a small number of creators while it's being rolled out in 2022. Until rollout is completed, finalized YouTube earnings are still visible to YouTube creators in their AdSense payments account. Once it has been rolled out fully, you'll land on the new AdSense for YouTube homepage by navigating to AdSense from within YouTube Studio. You can also see it at the top of the left-hand menu in AdSense. Click on subscribe button.